Another bustling weekend in Friuli Venezia Giulia. How was for you this weekend in Friuli Venezia Giulia?
This weekend was a great weekend. I spent it as usual in Via Torino. That's a street in which there are a lot of bars and stuff, and you can be with your friends and have cocktails and stuff.
No, this is my third time in Trieste. Yeah.
And how was your weekend?
It's been great so far. I've been living in Padova and I've just come here for the weekend to catch up with some people I know here, and it's been really lovely. And today's been beautiful with the sun. I'm from Australia, from Melbourne originally.
Well, when you get a sunny day like this in Friuli Venezia Giulia, it's hard to beat. So I've hooked up with my best friend from Austria, and we came into town. We went to Café San Marco for lunch, which was divine. And we've just gotten together with family and friends.
Weather, it's the karst, it's autumn, the autumn time, the sun, the sea, so the people, it's really a lot.
We're from Slovenia, from Ljubljana. We came just for one day, so today we came from Ljubljana to Trieste because it's nice sunny weather and we just wanted to have a relaxing day by the sea.
They try out new restaurants and the wine bars.
Walk, we had a cup of coffee and lunch. Also, the weather is really good, so just relaxing, chatting, having fun.
Ora sono uscita a fare una bella passeggiata.
Croatia. I mean, it's starting the Black Friday week, so we bought something because there are great discounts. Then we went for a walk by the sea. We went for some sightseeings. We had a nice hot chocolate by the sea as well. Drank coffee, and yeah, just did the typical stuff what you can do in Trieste.
This weekend I had my university class on Saturday. I have courses on Saturday, unfortunately. And yesterday I went to a concert, to a classical concert, and today I came here to visit the city.
Yeah, today I was here to visit the city, and yesterday I met with the family and we played together and had Italian dinner.
I went outside with my friends in Udine, and then today I'm in Trieste.
I came in Trieste yesterday, and today I went to the Miramare Castle, and then I had a walk in Trieste with her, and then that's it. I'm going back to my city tomorrow. So
Where are you from?
I'm from Genova.